Welcome back to ℃𝐿 Flood and Drought Forecast channel. This is Supanat from ℃𝐿 River Commission. Let's start with the latest on Tropical Storm WIPHA. As of 10 a.m. on 21st July, the center of the storm was located at around 21.2 degrees north latitude, 109.6 degrees east longitude in the Gulf of Tonkin. It's bringing storm wind of 75 to 88 km per hour and moving west southwest at 15 to 20 km per hour. Looking ahead, by 10 a.m. on 22nd July, the storm is expected to reach 20.3 degrees north latitude, 106.8 degrees east longitude, off the coast between Hai Phong and Thanh Hoa in Vietnam. From there, it will likely keep moving west-southwest at 10 to 15 km per hour and weaken into a low pressure area over Upper Lao PDR by 23rd July. From 22nd to 24th July, heavy rain is expected in the upper part of lower Mekong Basin, including northern Lao PDR and northern Thailand. Rainfall could range from 80 to 150 mm in 24 hours, and in some spots, it may exceed 200 mm. On 23rd July, part of northern Lao PDR may see very heavy rain, with total between 140 and 200 mm, and in some places, even more than 250 mm. Here are the areas to observe: Bokeo, Namtha, Oudomxay, Sayabouly, Vientiane, Prabang, Xieng, Bolikhamxay, and Khmer in Lao PDR, Chiang Rai and Chiang Mai in Thailand, Mondul Kiri, Ratana Kiri, and Treng in Cambodia, Dak, Salai, and Kon in Vietnam. This heavy rain may lead to flood river overflow and flooding, especially between 23rd and 24th July. So please stay alert and follow local guidance. Now, let's move on to the flood situation along ℃𝐿 River. As of 21st July, all stations along the ℃𝐿 mainstream are reporting normal water level. No stations are currently above the alarm or flood threshold. Over the next 5 days, we expect water level to rise between 0.3 and 2.6 meters at most stations. In key areas, the distance to flood level is as follows: 1.45 meters in Vientiane, 1.73 meters in Nong Khai, 0.87 meters in Nakhon Phanom, 1.29 meters in Mukdahan. The information provided here is meant for easy communication to the public. Please check out our website and report and download the ℍ𝐿 mobile app for more technical detail and get the most updates from the communities. That's all for today's update. Don't forget to tune in every Monday for the latest on rainfall, water level, flood and drought condition in the ℃𝐿 River Basin. Goodbye for now.